case, you learn a lot of people. So how do you train them? How do you make sure them they are not uncomfortable in learning? And what is the process which you use to embed this so that everything is smooth?
Frankly, you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. This will get released without that human touch. I don't think we have still reached there, and I don't think we will ever get there, in my view.
It's mostly about how we react for the people who trigger us or who want to apport us to be at the Fed perfect.
AI is the buzzword now. We are a company, we help anybody who is 18 plus can skill, upskill, reskill with technology.
How many of you think AI can assume all three roles at the same time? It has all the training data with it. But the point is, when you don't tell AI explicitly